Hey everyone, this is Charmaine from Fantastic Crafts. I hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day. And as you know, Maymay Made It design team and Instagram design team are doing a Christmas in July series. So all the cards in July will be Christmas themed, which I am super excited for. So to create this card, I used a red background, and on the foreground, I had that sweater, and then the sentiment says, eat, drink, and be tacky. I think it's absolutely adorable, so I hope you guys enjoy this. So to begin, I used this ugly sweater weather stamp set by Maymay Made It, and it's absolutely adorable. I never knew an ugly sweater could actually be so cute, so I really loved this stamp set. To begin, I decided to stamp on watercolor paper. So I used Canson watercolor paper, and I stamped with my VersaFine Onyx Black because that is it's for watercoloring. So I used that ink, so it had this crisp image of the sweater. Now I will have to say, if you want a much crisper, let's say, image, you may want to put this in your stamping tool and stamp it a few times so you get a much crisper and a more intense of a black color. So once I was done with that, I knew I wanted to also put the little reindeer in the middle of this sweater, because this is also something that comes with this stamp set, and I really wanted to play with the colors on these on this reindeer. I just really wanted to play with watercolor, and I've been loving watercolor lately, so once again, I use this Royal Langnickel. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but let me know if you guys know how to pronounce it. But I love this set. It is great, it is versatile, and it is cheap. It gets the work done and is fantastic. That's what I love. So I go first, and I kind of wanted to do little candy stripes, some candy cane stripes. So I wanted to go red, white, and then I added some green to it. In hindsight, I would have probably liked to have kept it the red, white, but I wanted the sweater to be green and red. So that was the whole concept, green and red. So I kind of went in and did that, and intensified the red by just picking up a little bit more red and continuing to just color the sweater. I am going to put some music on and fast forward this part just so you can see it quickly, and but also see exactly how I did it. Okay, I'll catch you when this coloring is complete. enjoyed that little coloring session there. I know it was a little long, so thank you for still being with me. I did fussy cut this sweater out. Now, if you have a scan and cut, you can do it. If you have any other cutting machine, you can easily do it with that. But I will say, fussy cutting this sweater was very simple. As you can see, I used my big shears, the Tim Holtz ones, because it had a lot of straight lines, and I felt like that Tim Holtz shears did the best job with that. And then I went with my little snips, and then I cut the little more detailed parts of the sweater, which it doesn't really have much, but just like the arm area and pretty much the arm area, and if I wanted to get a little closer on other parts, but it was very simple to fussy cut this out. Once I was done with the fussy cutting and the coloring, I knew I wanted to make this sweater a little more tacky. I mean, cute tacky. So the way I did that was just adding some stitch marks around it, and I really thought it came out cute. I really thought it was a perfect little Christmas tacky card. It was just perfect for the purpose I was using it for. So I really hope you guys enjoy that part too, the sweater. I didn't think I would ever create a sweater like this, but once I created it, I really thought it came out super cute. So I know that I will be making a few more cards like this. So from the same stamp set, I stamped a few snowflakes onto a card base, an A2 size card base, and then it had this border, like a little sweater border, so I used that to stamp on the bottom and the top, and then I used 3D foams to pop up the sweater, and I really am loving those colors, and the reindeer is adorable. The reindeer makes the sweater so cute. It's super cute. So then I put a sentiment onto the card, and the sentiment says, eat, drink, and be tacky. I thought it was a really cute sentiment, and that sentiment is also from the same stamp set. And then I just also popped that up onto with foam squares and just onto that card base. I didn't do anything else. I just kind of trimmed that, and I kept that border, that sentiment piece, white. I thought because it had a lot going on, I really wanted to pull in those white stitch marks that I created on the sweater. So I felt like that sentiment on that white really pulled it all together. And I really loved this card. It was so cute and so easy to create. It was fun. It was one of those very relaxing card where you kind of want to add a few little things here and there just because you are having fun with it. And I really enjoyed creating it. This really kind of got my creativity kind of flowing again. So I was really happy with this. And here's the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. And if you did, please make sure to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell so you get notification every single time I upload a video. And until next time, everyone, bye.